What is a from body? From body attribute tells ASP.NET Core this product object will receive input as JSON object. Which is JSON? This is the JSON. So when you are sending a request, it will be JSON request. It won't be like a URL or query string or whatever it is. This will help to understand all developers. What is this about? What kind of request we are going to receive from the client? This will clearly inform to all other developers, hey, we are going to receive JSON object to the product. You got it? So now we will come back. If you don't declare from body, the program still work. The API endpoint will success. Still you can add the product successfully. But when you go for a complex projects, what do you mean complex projects? Like you have multiple parameters. At that time, if you don't declare anything, for example, you worked on this endpoint today. Tomorrow, other developer come and look at this endpoint to enhance something. At that time, the developer very hard to understand what kind of input we are going to receive to the product object. If you declare explicitly, other developers can easily understand, okay, we are going to receive request body from JSON object. It's not from URL or query string. Suppose you forget to add the from body. I stop the application. Please provide a comment whether endpoint will work or not, because I didn't provide the from request body. I start the application, expand to the API product, write out, enter some input, I type some data. Great, execute now. See here, the endpoint triggered successfully. Now we will see whether we will receive a successful response or not. Before that, you need to mouse over to the product and see here, Muthu phone, everything is there. What you enter here, all is there. Going to debug. Next line, press F10. I can see my what we entered just now. Nice. Press continue. We added to the product list. Let's scroll down to see the result. Look at here what we submitted the data through the post method just now without from body. We can add the result successfully. We can also go to get method, expand products all, press write out, press execute. See here, I can see the result what we added just now. I hope now you understood. So my recommendation is please always declare from body if you are going to send as a JSON object. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Muthu DevHub. Cheers. Thank you.